If unmarried individuals, whether girls or boys, read the Mukti Margam, Bhakti Margam book and distribute printed copies, their planetary afflictions will decrease. Their physical and mental turbulence will reduce, and positive vibrations will start emanating from them. According to divine will, the destined match in your horoscope will align with you. If the alliances you have come across so far or the ones you desire have not worked out, it means you have been dialing the wrong number. To connect with the right number, read this book 9 times. Take a vow to print and distribute copies of this book among your relatives and friends according to your financial capacity. If you pray with faith and a pure heart for your wish to be fulfilled, your desire will undoubtedly be realized in a short time. Details about your future life partner will somehow come to your knowledge. Similarly, your details will reach them. Both of you will find each other suitable. The exchange of dowry and gifts will also be favorable for both parties. The wedding will happen with lower expenses than expected. Relatives and friends will provide timely assistance during the wedding preparations. After marriage, the couple will live harmoniously throughout their lives and will be blessed with virtuous children. Since Sri Govindamamba Devi and Sri Veerabrahmendra Swami are bestowing these blessings, make the most of this divine opportunity. 3. For students and parents, if students read the Mukti Margam, Bhakti Margam book, and their parents print and distribute copies, the planetary afflictions of the students will decrease. Their physical and mental unrest will reduce. Positive vibrations will emanate from them, leading to increased physical and mental resilience. They will develop better judgment and awareness. Students will begin to appreciate the efforts and love of their parents. They will recognize the value of the expenses incurred by their parents for their education and use resources wisely. They will view their parents as embodiments of divinity throughout their lives. The positive vibrations from them will foster friendships with fellow students and promote cooperation and mutual support. They will develop respect for teachers, and in turn, teachers will feel affection and goodwill towards them. Students will ask questions fearlessly to clarify their doubts, and teachers will patiently explain answers in detail. This will help students read and understand exam questions in advance, improve memory retention, and write answers easily during exams. 4. For business people and professionals, if business people or individuals in any profession read this book or print and distribute copies, their planetary afflictions and inner turbulence will decrease. Business acumen and professional skills will improve. They will often come to the minds of their customers. Customers will prefer to purchase or avail services from them. They will develop the ability to attract customers and provide all necessary goods and services. Timely availability and delivery of goods will be ensured. They will make purchases and sell items at the right time, leading to profits. The ability to solve challenges in business or profession promptly will improve. They will earn higher profits than expected. They will remember the location of their goods and serve customers courteously and patiently. Timely access to required investments for business or work will also be available. With such benefits, why worry unnecessarily? 5. For the unemployed, if unemployed individuals read the Mukti Margam, Bhakti Margam book and vow to print and distribute copies from their earnings once they secure a job, their planetary afflictions will decrease. Physical and mental unrest will reduce. This will lead to peace and clarity, helping them secure suitable employment. Positive vibrations will emanate from them. Information about jobs suitable for their education and qualifications will reach them in some way, through friends, relatives, newspapers, or TV news, at the right time. They will be able to attend interviews without any obstacles. During the interview, they will be able to answer the questions asked by the officials correctly. Moreover, the officials will ask questions they can answer confidently. They will secure a job with the expected salary and settle in a favorable location. Why delay? Start your efforts now. 6. For employees, if employees read the Mukti Margam, Bhakti Margam book and print and distribute copies, the effects of the 9 planetary afflictions will decrease. Their physical and mental unrest will diminish. Positive vibrations will emanate from them. This will result in greater stability in their jobs. They will gain the favor of higher officials and build friendly relationships with colleagues, fostering mutual cooperation. Opportunities will arise to write departmental exams for promotions, which will lead to career growth and advancement over time. At home, they will experience peace and harmony within their families. They will reach their offices on time and avoid reprimands from their superiors. Household expenses will reduce, enabling savings. They will be able to provide their children with the education they desire. Employees will have the opportunity to serve and live with their parents, experiencing divine grace through their service. 7. For those with health issues, if individuals suffering from health problems read the Mukti Margam, Bhakti Margam book and print and distribute copies, the effects of the 9 planetary afflictions will decrease. Their physical and mental unrest will reduce. Positive changes will occur in their vibrations. At the right time, they will visit a doctor. They will find a good doctor who can easily identify the cause of their illness. The doctor will prescribe the appropriate medicines for their condition and body type. At the pharmacy, the prescribed medicines will be genuine, unexpired, free of side effects, and reasonably priced. The patients will remember to take the medicines on time as instructed by the doctor. Their diet will naturally align with what suits their body, and they will avoid unsuitable foods effortlessly. Even if they consume something unsuitable, they will immediately realize it and correct it. Over time, their focus on health will improve. They will learn to determine the right dietary practices suitable for their body type. 8. For politicians and activists, if politicians and activists read the Mukti Margam, Bhakti Margam book and print and distribute copies, the effects of the 9 planetary afflictions will decrease. Their physical and mental unrest will diminish. Positive changes will occur in their vibrations. They will gain the ability to attract people and voters. People and voters will develop goodwill and trust in their leader, along with respect for their leadership qualities. Citizens will feel a desire to stay close and loyal to their leader. Leaders will gain insight into the needs of the people and the opportunity to address those needs. Citizens will benefit from these opportunities and utilize them effectively. Politicians and activists will gain recognition from their superiors, leading to higher positions and roles. Such recognition will foster long-term, positive relationships with higher-ranking leaders. Leaders and activists will receive the divine radiance of Sri Veerabrahmendra Swami and Veer Bhogavasantarayalu, empowering them with the divine energy to serve the people effectively. They will be able to undertake public welfare programs that will be remembered for a long time and complete the initiatives they start successfully. With the divine radiance of Sri Veerabrahmendra Swami and Veer Bhogavasantharaya, they will become founding members of a new society that will reform the world and establish universal peace. Depending on their devotayan and efforts, they will attain a high place in the spiritual realm of Sri Veerabrahmendra Swami's divine presence. Those aspiring to grow into exemplary political leaders can make use of this opportunity. 9. Mukti Margam, Bhakti Margam book. For those who keep this book in their home temple from 1st January 2018, the divine radiance of Sri Veerabrahmendra Swami and Veer Bhogavasantharaya will permeate their home. It will alleviate Vastu defects, negative influences of dark energies, Kal Sarpa doshas, and planetary afflictions affecting family members. If any family member reads this book 9 times within 40 days, they can reduce their planetary afflictions and fulfill their desires. Although current influences may prevent you from reading it, in the future, someone in your lineage, your children, grandchildren, or great-grandchildren, may read it and benefit. Therefore, preserve this book in your home for their sake. A free PDF version of this book is also available on WhatsApp for those who request it. You can order packs of 11 or 108 books by post and distribute them among your family and friends. 10. For those who perform Annadanam, food donation along with food donations, also perform this Gyandhanam, knowledge donation. Gift this book to families as it will benefit them perpetually. The merit gained from this knowledge donation is 100 times greater than that of food donation because this book remains in their home for generations. Whenever any family member needs guidance, they can refer to this book. It is a divine remedy for both physical and mental ailments. This book does not expire, degrade, or diminish in value, no matter how many people read and benefit from it. It has no side effects and only brings good. While you may know this, negative influences may attempt to mislead you. Do not be deceived. Reading this book will reduce planetary afflictions for the reader, and distributing it will bring blessings to the giver. The merit of this act will come back to you manifold. 11. For those who distribute the book, those who wish to receive the divine blessings of Sri Swami can register their family and clan names with the organization and distribute as many copies as they can. They will receive blessings proportional to the number of books distributed. Since it is Sri Swami's wish that every household has a copy of this book, those who distribute it will gain 100 times the benefits compared to those who only read it. The book can even be given to those who cannot read or understand the language. Simply having this book in their home will bring them blessings and the grace of Sri Swami. If there are educated individuals in their family, they can explain the book's meaning in their language or translate it if needed. To protect yourself from the negative influences of the present times, first install Sri Veerabhadramendra Swami in your heart. Worship Swami through the Vedantic words of wisdom contained in this book by memorizing as many verses as possible each day. Swami himself will gradually reveal their meaning to you. Swami once sent Siddhaya to the village of Bangani to collect sacred deodar flowers for his worship. The flowers of knowledge preserved in this book are like those divine flowers. Memorize and share these verses, and Swami will bless you. The scientific secrets in Swami's prophecies, the prophetic and spiritual verses of Sri Veerabhadramendra Swami contain hidden scientific truths about creation. These verses are universal, meant for all humanity, not just for a particular state, country, or group of people. For example, Swami said, lamps will burn with water. During his time, people wondered how a lamp could burn with water. But today, we use water to generate electricity, which lights lamps. Similarly, Swami foretold, carts will move without oxen. People in his time placed carts next to oxen and questioned how carts could move without them. But today, we see motorcycles and vehicles running without oxen. Cars, buses, trains, and bullock carts are running without drivers. The profound meaning behind all the words of wisdom spoken by Sri Swamiji remains largely hidden to us at present. These words encompass gross, subtle, and causal dimensions. They said, ladders are placed on small plants. The small plant refers to a tiny sprout on the ground, and the idea of placing a ladder on it to climb is impractical. Today's educated individuals use a calculator even to calculate simple sums. This indicates a reliance on devices for even the smallest of tasks. Observing today's society, one notices people calling someone in the next room using their phones. Such behaviors reveal many peculiarities upon closer examination. In a colony offense, thieves have taken refuge. This means that in today's times, through deceit and betrayal, people are stealing wealth. Even though the culprits are right in front of us, we are powerless to act against them. Protected by legal support and courts, modern thieves enjoy safety. Even when we deposit money in banks for security, it is stolen by cybercriminals, often without the knowledge of bank officials. These thieves hide in places inaccessible even to ants. They remain invisible but still manage to steal and evade capture. There are many such examples. A three-legged cow gives birth to a human and argues with people. This does not refer to a literal three-legged cow. Instead, it symbolizes an old woman walking with the support of a stick, giving birth to a child late in life. These children grow up to be argumentative and quarrelsome. The calf inside a cow's womb can be seen, and twins are born. This signifies today's ability to see the fetus inside the womb through scanning technology. Each organ of the fetus can be observed, and instances of conjoined twins are common. Things happen in the blink of an eye. This reflects modern advancements, where tasks are accomplished instantly, whether it is paying bills, transferring money, or communicating with someone far away via the internet or mobile phones. Temples float, pumpkins sing, and the deity inside the temple sings aloud. This implies a reversal of fortunes. The wealthy may become poor, and the poor may grow rich. Those in positions of power may lose their authority, while the powerless rise to power. Today, even temples use microphones to chant prayers, broadcasting them across the world. My monastery is dilapidated, and creepers have grown. This does not mean the physical collapse of a monastery but rather the mismanagement and corruption within its administration. True devotees may lose access to the monastery due to such issues. 111,000 devotees will remove their garlands and chant Har Hara. This symbolizes a mass gathering of devotees wearing garlands as part of their vows. In unison, they chant and remove their garlands, which signifies the removal of all troubles and problems plaguing the monastery. After this event, the place will flourish with divine beauty and grandeur. Crows will defeat eagles, and dogs will scare horses. This means corrupt officials and wealthy wrongdoers will be held accountable by ordinary individuals through mechanisms like anti-corruption agencies. The cruel fox will reside in the village's waterhole. This indicates how terrorists, disguised as ordinary people, blend into society and strike when least expected. I will be born in the Nandan year between Nand and Anand in Kashmir. This signifies spiritual enlightenment emerging within the human mind, symbolized by Kashmir, which represents the head. The divine wisdom of Sri Veerabrahmendra Swami awakens within the minds of people, guiding them towards spiritual and worldly knowledge. Kashmir will freeze, and Bengal will become the abode of death. This reflects the challenges faced worldwide, where humanity struggles with countless problems. The body, when affected by dysfunctions of vital organs, succumbs to diseases. Doctors attempt to combat these diseases, but new ailments emerge faster than cures. The sun's radiance will gradually diminish, and life will perish. This reflects modern lifestyles, where lack of exposure to sunlight and physical activity weakens the body's immunity, leading to diseases. Scientists and doctors are often unable to find solutions, leaving people to pray for divine intervention. To bring peace to the world, wisdom must rain upon villages, districts, states, countries, and the entire globe. This wisdom will wash away human ignorance and malice, leaving behind virtuous men and women as precious jewels. Seek the blessings of Sri Veerabrahmendra Swami to nurture such wisdom in the younger generations. The teachings of Sri Swamiji, as embodied in the Kalaj Anam, prophecies, offer spiritual, worldly, and ultimate knowledge. They serve as a guide for all, irrespective of region, religion, or caste, and bring enlightenment to every household, village, and country. Reading the Kalaj Anam 9 times in 40 days will reveal one's spiritual level. Those who distribute 1008 copies of this sacred text will be blessed with divine grace and the vision of Sri Veerabhoga Vasantarailu. Strive for this noble cause to enrich your soul and life. Those who read the Muktimargamu Bhaktimargamu text 9 times within 40 days, or once every month, and those who distribute more than 108 copies of the text will be awarded a membership certificate under the protection of Sri Govindamamba Devi and Sri Veerabrahmendra Swami. To receive the divine membership blessing of Sri Swamiji, you can send the details of your family along with 1016 rupees. Sri Swamiji's inner dedication. Diksha offer a portion of your monthly income to Sri Swamiji, and with those funds, distribute copies of the Muktimargamu Bhaktimargamu texts. Take up this vow, and the radiance of Sri Swamiji will always accompany you. Misfortune will not touch you.